Here we have another form that you will likely see in your homework. And here's the formula. Here is a formula for this. You can find these product to sum identities for all the different situations. You could have sine, cosine, cosine, sine, cosine, cosine, or sine, sine. You can find these in the notes and learning goals. All right, so what we have here, the 3x is this is my A, that's my B in the formula here. So let's see, sine 3x cosine 8x. This is going to be 1/2 sine 3x plus 8x plus sine 3x minus 8x, which is 1/2 sine 11x plus sine of negative 5x. And so this integral is equal to the integral of 1/2. Now, immediately when I see this 1/2 in here, I just think, okay, I'm going to pop this out to the front. So instead of writing all this out here, like so, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say, okay, look, I've got this 1/2 out front. I'll put this out front here. Now I've got sine 11x plus sine negative 5x dx. And now, let's see, you could split it up. Let's put this 1/2, just leave it up there. Now we'll integral, let's say integral of sine 11x dx plus the integral of sine negative 5x dx. Right, so see, this 1/2 was times this whole thing. So that's why I put the 1/2 in the brackets there. Now with this one, you could use a u substitution, and this one you could use u equals 11x. This one, u equals negative 5x to solve this. So this will be 1/11. Let's see. Derivative of cosine is negative sine, so this will be a negative cosine 11x. So we've got 1 over negative 5 negative cosine negative 5x plus c. That will work. Let's just check real fast. Derivative of cosine is negative sine, so going backwards for our check. The derivative of cosine is negative sine, so that negative will cancel with that one, with that right there. And then using the chain rule, we have b times 11, so that'll cancel with that right there to give us the sign. But anyway. there. Okay, so that checks out. And now we can check this here. Derivative cosine is, again, negative sine. Checking this one, derivative cosine is negative sine. We'd have the times a negative 5 with the chain rule. That would cancel there. And then the negatives would cancel with the derivative cosine being negative sine. We'd have a negative negative. This negative would go with the negative with the antiderivative. So that works there. All right, now dealing with these negatives here, let's see, we have a negative 1/5 and a negative cosine there, so those negatives will cancel. We'll have something like that. Oops, my bad. And there we are. You could distribute that 1/2 back through, perfectly fine if you want to do that. Get rid of some of these parentheses. We've got 22. And that's our antiderivative.